No the day Awilo. No the day Awilo.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Awilo. Can I know your name?
My name is Peter.
Nice one. Today is a What Lovers Day. We want to know if your partner know you very, very well. You know that kind know very well.
All right.
Okay, please, can I do you with your ATM there?
Yeah.
Can I have your ATM? Just no scare. There's nothing to afraid of.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. Can you tell your partner to confirm your PIN? I will credit you 500,000 naira.
All right. Let me call her.
Okay. La caca.
Ha! You gotta trust man. Hadam. What? Ojo Abo. Your eyes will see what your mouth can talk.
Hello, babe. What's up?
Hello, babe.
How are you?
I'm fine. Please, can you call a ATM PIN?
I should confirm your PIN for you. Can't you know your PIN, babe? What's up now? Okay, your PIN is 2020.
All right.
I'm missing you. Where are you, babe?
I credit 500,000 to you. Thank you.
Hey.
I don't understand. I'm the wife. Who are you calling?
I
want to know something. Wait.
That's a family problem.
Baba, who do you talk to? I want to know the person that you just called now. So, you are cheating on me. You even have problems
always.
in my presence.
Stop it, Juju.
I will call you.